Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search for Gmail. In this page of app info you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.